So we're finishing up 3.7, which is point slope form. And yesterday, where did we finish? Did we graph already? How many equations? One, two? Oh, two equations? Oh, okay. So let's talk about parallel and perpendicular. Okay. So let's start. Let's see. And open the old file, which is, no, this is not Math 125. 2.7? Okay, so it's this one. Yes, we did this yesterday? Okay, so should we graph more or you guys are okay? One more? Okay, yes, one more. Let's do one more. So C, number 3. So let's graph y minus 5 is equal to 3 times x plus 2. So this equation is in point slope form. Oh, did I record it? Probably not. Huh? I did? Oh yeah, it is. Okay. So let me close. All right. So y minus 5 is equal to 3 times x plus 2. So what is my slope and what is my point? The slope is 3. The y-intercept, the points will be -2, 5. Yes. Okay. So let's start at 5 as usual. So let's see. This is x, y. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4. -2, -4. All right. So 2, 4, 6, 8, -2, -4, -6. So -2, 5 will be here. Let's label this. All right. How do I find the other point? Maybe let's make the thick marks because it's probably easier for you to see when we have thick marks. So this is -2, 5. How do I find the other point? The slope is 3, so what do I do? Go up 3 and then go to the right one. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1 to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 1 to the right. Okay. So what is the coordinate here? 1, 8. And then we will just draw the lines between these 2 points. Yeah. What happened? Oh, -1, 8. There you go. Yes. -1, 8. You're right. Doable? All right. So now let's talk about parallel and perpendicular lines on this one. So this is 3.7. Okay. All right. Okay. So for example, no, not example, B, right? Or C? C. Parallel and perpendicular lines. And perpendicular lines. So when are two lines parallel? Slopes are same. When are two lines perpendicular? Slopes are negative reciprocal. So parallel means M1 is equal to M2, remember? And perpendicular just means M2 is -1 over m1. Negative reciprocal. Their slopes are negative reciprocal. All right. So, for example, write the slope-intercept equation. So we're talking about slope-intercept equation. Okay. Number 1. Parallel to y is equal to 5x minus 7 and passes through and contains, maybe I would just say contains, maybe better, right? And contains 3, 5. Okay. So we might have fractions here. And then maybe number 2 is on the next page, but let me write it here. Perpendicular to uh, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and contains -2, -3. Okay. So what do we do here? All right, so we will write 2 different portions. So we will divide my worksheet into 2 different ones. Okay, this is L1, this is L2. Because we have 2 different lines. When we talk about parallel lines, we have 2 different lines. So what do we know about L1? Yes, so y is 5x minus 7, and we know the slope is 5. You're right. What do we know about L2? L2 is parallel to L1, and it contains 3, 5. Okay, good. So then how do we proceed? We know the slope of line 2, and the slope will be 5. Okay, good. Then what? Then what do we do? We use equation. What type of equation? Can I use y equals mx plus b here? Can we or can't we? Do I have a b? Where? No, this is not b. Is this a y-intercept? No, so I can't really use this, right? I cannot just substitute 5 here. So no, I will not use this because this is not a y-intercept. So this is not a y-intercept. Okay? So I can't use it. So what other form can I use? Yeah, which is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So y minus y1, what is y1? 5 is equal to 5 times x minus 3. Yes. So y minus 5 is equal to 5x minus 15. Then what do I do? How do we solve for y? You add 5 both sides. Yes, you're right. So y is equal to 5x minus 10. Done. Right? Okay, so good. Is it difficult or easy? So the most important thing is to remember that this is not a y-intercept. So we can't just say, oh, this is equal to y equals to 5x plus 5. No, this is not a y-intercept. Yes. You got this y1. Y1 is this one. This is x1. So this is your x1. This is your y1. Right? Yeah. So this is y minus y1 is equal to m5 times x minus 3. The other 5 is the slope. Yeah. The slope here is 5. Yeah. Good. Okay? Now, number 2. Let's do it on a different page. Can you guys try it first, though? Yeah. So, let's try. Why don't you try number 2? And this one, you will have fractions. But yeah, fraction, we can still do it, right? Let me see if I have to return anything to you. Do I have to return anything to you? Oh, your test, that Monday, right? This is not to 60. This is here. Alright, so okay, so try it, please. I'm going to call the attendance. I'm going to see the attendance. Are you guys done? Manuela is absent. Estefani Mejia, absent. Julio, absent. This is late. Destiny is here. And Mr. Reyes is here. Julio is late. Okay. All right. Good. So how would you do this? Let me see. Who's absent here? So Manuela, Maribel, and then Julio is late. Cesar is late, right? And Jamie is absent, and then nobody else. So how do we do this? Any idea? Well, yeah, as usual, we divide the workspace into 2. All right. This is L1, this is L2. Maybe we'll do L2 a little bit bigger, because L1 is usually simpler, all right? So let's give more space to L2. What do I know about L1? The equation, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. What is the slope? Negative 3 over 2? How do you get that? So 2y is negative 3x plus 5. Then divide by 2. Yes. So y is negative 3 over 2x plus 5 over 2. What is the slope? Negative 3 over 2. Good. So this is the slope for L1. Now, L2. What do we know about L2? L2 is perpendicular to L1. So do they have the same slopes? No, they don't. Yes. And L2 passes through negative 2, comma, negative 3. All right. Now, L2 is perpendicular to L1. What does it mean in terms of slope? The slopes are negative reciprocals. So in this case, what would that be? What is it? Positive 2 over 3. Yes. All right. Good. So now, do we have a y-intercept? Is this a y-intercept? No. How do you know this is not a y-intercept? You should have a 0 here if it were a y-intercept, correct? So this is not a y-intercept. So let's use this y minus y1 point slope is equal to m times x minus x1. Alrighty. Y minus y1. What is y1? Negative 3. So it's actually y plus 3. You could write y plus 3 directly. Is equal to 2 over 3 times x minus x1. What is x1? Negative 2. So actually this is plus 2. So let's write it again. So y plus 3 is equal to 2 over 3 times x plus 2. Is that right? Okay. Then I have to solve for y, so let's distribute this first. So y plus 3 is equal to 2 over 3x plus, when you distribute this, what do you have? What is it? What is it? 4 over 3. Yes. So now, I want to solve for y. What do I do? Subtract 3 both sides. So 3 is actually 3 over 1. Yes. Almost done. So y is equal to 2 over 3x. Okay, what do I do with this fraction here? How do I subtract? What is it? Plus 4 over 3. What is the LCD? 3. Okay, so this is 1. It becomes 3. So we multiply by 3. So this is 9 over 3. So y is equal to 2 over 3x minus 5 over 3. Done. Did you do it correctly? Yeah? Good. Should we do one more? Okay. So let's see, the last one. For the line that is, you want parallel or perpendicular? Perpendicular? Okay. It's actually the same thing. Perpendicular to 5x minus 2y is equal to 10 and contains negative 3 comma negative 8 or positive 8. Negative 3 comma positive 8. Okay, can you try it, please? So do the same thing. We have line 1 and line 2. Line 1 is simpler, so okay. So this is line 1, line 2. Okay. All right. So I will let you try first. Oh, did I say I was going to give you a quiz? Yeah, right? Okay. So, when we're done, we have a quiz. Oh, maybe let's do a few more examples, right? Yeah, okay. Are you done? Maybe 2 more minutes? Okay. Alright, so let's discuss it. Okay, so what do we know about line 1? The equation, 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. So what is the slope? Positive 5 over 2, right? Okay. So we will subtract 5x from both sides. So we have negative 2y is equal to negative 5x plus 10. And then what? Divide both sides by negative 2. Okay. So y is equal to 5 over 2x minus 5. So the slope is 5 over 2. All right. Good. Now, what do we know about line 2? So L2 is perpendicular to L1. What else? It passes through negative 3, 8. All right. Then what? The slope is negative 2 over 5. Yes. So this is positive, it becomes negative, and then we flip. Yeah. Now, is this a y-intercept? No. So what do you do? Point slope. So y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So y minus y1, what is y1? 8 is equal to m is negative 2 over 5 times x minus negative 3. Yeah? Or x plus 3. So y minus 8 is equal to negative 2 over 5 x plus 3. Okay. Now, how do I solve for y here? We distribute first. So y minus 8 is equal to negative 2 over 5x. And then what happens here? Minus 6 over 5. All right, almost done. You add 8, both sides. Well, 8 is 8 over 1. So this is 8 over 1. So y is equal to negative 2 over 5x minus, so how do I add these? LCD, yes. So this is 6 over 5. What about this? Multiply by 5, which is 40 over 5. So y is negative 2 over 5x. What is negative 6 plus 40? Plus 34? 34 over 5, right? So y is negative 2 over 5x plus 34 over 5. Okay. Good. So far so good? If you made a mistake, where did you make mistake? Yes, James? Oh, this one? Because when you distribute, okay, this is negative 2 times 3. That's negative 6 over 5. Yes. Oh, so you put plus 6 over 5. So then you'll have 46 over 5. Oh, okay, yeah. So yes, this is negative. Because you're multiplying negative by positive. Yeah. Do you know that this is x minus negative 3 though? Yeah, I know it's negative 3. I wasn't paying attention to what I wrote down, and oh, okay. Okay. Oh, I see. I see. Okay. All right. Good. But the concept is okay, right? Should we have the quiz now or more examples? How many more? One more? Okay. 2 more? Okay. One more? All right. So let's see. But this is not hard, right? It's just that you have to be careful when you have fractions. All right. So let me write this. I will make one easier one and then the other one different one. So what was number 4? Okay. Let's see. So let's see. Parallel to the line that passes through. So this is a little different. 1, negative 1, comma 5, and 3, comma negative 7, and has y-intercept 0, comma negative 3. Okay, and then number 5, parallel to the line, parallel to, sorry, let's just give you an equation. What is it? 3x plus 2y is equal to negative 6 and contains negative 2, comma 8. Okay, good. So 2 problems. You want to try first, or we should do it first together? Let's see. The class ends at 10:10, right? Yeah, maybe try 5 minutes is okay. So do this 5 minutes. So same thing, L1 and L2. L1 and L2. What do we know about L1? It passes through what 2 points? -1, 5, and 3, -7. Okay, then what would you do? You have to find the slope, right? So anything from line 1 that we need is the slope. So what is the slope? What's the formula? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, then you can find the slope. Yeah, what's the slope? -7 minus 5 divided by x2. What is x2? x2 is 3 minus -1. So -12 divided by, what is this? 3 plus 1? 4. So this is -3. Okay. All right. What do we know about L2? L2 is parallel to line 1. What else? Y-intercept 0, -3. Okay. Then what? The slope is, what is the slope? -3. Why? Why not 1/3? They're parallel, not perpendicular. Yeah. So now, do I have a y-intercept? Yes. So what do you use here? Y equals mx plus b. So y is equal to -3x minus 3. Done. Yeah. If can you use the y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1? Yeah. It's just that it's longer. So this is what you'll get is y minus 0, right? Oh, I'm sorry. Y minus -3 is equal to -3 times x minus 0. So y plus 3 is -3x. X minus 0 is x, so y is -3x minus 3. It's a little longer. But the other formula works also. Yeah, the point slope formula. But do we need to use this? No, why not? Because we have a y-intercept. Yeah, but can you use it? Yes, you can. It's just a little longer. Okay? Yes, but we don't have to use this. We can use slope-intercept. Now, how about number 5? I think you guys get bored now. Okay, because it's too easy. All right, so L1 and L2. So what about L1? So this is 3x plus 2y is equal to -6. And L2 is parallel to L1, and it can say -2, 8. Okay, I think you guys could do this really quick. It's just a matter of the fractions, but other than that, it should be fine. What is the slope? -3/2. What is the slope of line 2? What is it? 2/3, right? Oh, -3/2. Yes, you're right. Oh, see, I almost forgot also. I thought it was perpendicular. Yes. So 2y is -3x minus 6 divided by 2. So y is -3/2x minus 3. So slope is -3/2. The same thing. Then what? Yes. Y minus y1 is m times x minus x1. So y minus 8 is -3/2 times x minus -2. Can I just put plus 2? Okay. So it's minus -2. Yeah. So now, let's distribute this. What do we have? Negative 3 over 2x. Now let's distribute this. Negative 3 over 2 times 2 minus 6 over 2, which is 3. Right? The 2 cancels actually. Then what? You add a to both sides. So y is equal to negative 3 over 2x plus 5. Finish. Doable? Doable? Okay, so should we have the quiz now? Yeah? Okay. So, or do you want to do 8? No, I think we should have the quiz now, right? Yeah. Okay, and then you guys could go home earlier, maybe 10 minutes early. Yeah. Okay. Good. So let's start. So let's save this. It's closed book and closed notes. You can use your own paper. Yeah. But this will be easy because you knew it already. Yeah. All right. So let's see. We're done? I close this? Okay. So this is quiz 1 or quiz 2? Yeah. So can you please write quiz 2, and then this is section 3.6, 3.7, math 115. Okay. And then write your name here, and today's date is 10/8/15. Alright. So remember your name. So basically what we want to do is exactly what we just did. Find the equation of the line. Okay. How many problems do you want? 2 only? Okay. Number 1. Of the line which passes through 2 points. 5, negative 7 and negative 3, negative 6. So this is only one line, right? We're not talking about parallel and perpendicular for number 1. Okay. Now number 2, which is perpendicular to what? Let me make it up. 5x plus 3y is equal to 15 and contains let's just say negative 3, 2. Okay. Yeah. So number 1, there's only one line. There's no parallel perpendicular. Number 2, this is perpendicular. Yeah, so perpendicular. Okay. So 2 problems. So close notes. Can you guys close your notes, please? Yeah. So do you want to go or do you want to quick discussion? Right. Discussion? Yeah. So maybe 10 minutes and then we discuss it. Okay? And then if we're done with the discussion, you can leave early. What time is it now? 10 minutes? It's 9:45. Let's just say, oh, then you cannot leave early. 9:55, maybe. So if you're done, you can turn it in. If you're done. Yeah. But check it first. Are you done? I think maybe 2 more minutes? 3 more minutes? So if you're done, you can relax a little bit. It's so an equation. So for number 1, we need equation 2, right? So for number 1, you need equation. So 2 more minutes. For number 1, you guys need the equations too. Right? Is it hard or easy or what? Did everybody come in? Yeah? Okay. So let's do it. What do you do to number 1? Well, we have to find the slope. Yes. What is the slope? Write down the formula. M is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So what is y2 minus y1? Negative 2 minus negative 7 divided by negative 3 minus 5. Yes. What is negative 2? What is it? Plus 7? Negative 2 plus 7 is 5 divided by negative 8. So this is negative 5 over 8. Are we done? Well, we found the slope, but we need the equation. So how do I find the equation? Do I have a y-intercept? Do I or don't I? No. So I have to use the point slope. So y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Now, which point do we want to use? Is this the first one or the second one? It doesn't matter. The second one? Okay, so we will use this one. Okay. So y minus y1. What is y1 here? Negative 2 is equal to negative 5 over 8 times x minus x1. What is x1? Negative 3. Now, could I have used the first point? Yes, you can. And the answer will be the same. So y plus 2 is equal to negative 5 over 8 times x plus 3. What now? Distribute? Okay, so how do I distribute this? What do I have? Negative 5 over 8x and then negative 5 over 8 times 3 minus 15 over 8. Yes, so we multiply the top. This is 3 over 1. Yeah. Okay, then what? You subtract 2 from both sides. So 2 is 2 over 1. Okay. So y is equal to negative 5 over 8x. Now, what do I do to this? Common denominator, which is 8. Okay. So this is 15. And what about this? Times 8 times 8. So this is 16. Yes. So negative 5 over 8x. What is negative 15 over 8 minus 16 over 8? What is it? Minus 31 over 8. Yes. Yeah. Doable or not? But you forgot what? You forgot to find the equation? Why? Why did you forget to find the equation? Yeah, it specifically says find the equation of the line. Yeah. Okay. So you stop here? Well, I mean, what about this? I mean, we need the equation. Yeah. Okay. Now, number 2. Oh, this one's too, well, actually, this one's not supposed to be hard, right? The second one, I have parallel perpendiculars, so I have line 1, line 2. So line 1, what do we know about line 1? Yes, 5x plus 3y is equal to 15. What do we know about line 2? Line 2 is perpendicular to line 1, and it passes through negative 3, 2. Yes. So do we know the slope here? Right? Okay. So you have to subtract 5x, etc. What's the slope here? Negative or positive? 3 over 5. Yes. Good. So now, do I have a y-intercept? No, so what are we doing? Yes, so y minus y1 is equal to n times x minus x1. So y minus 2 is equal to 3 over 5 times x minus negative 3. Can I just put plus 3? Yes. So y minus 2 is equal to 3 over 5x, and then what is this? Plus 9 over 5. Alright, then what? Add 2 to both sides, and this is 2 over 1. So y is 3 over 5x. Okay, how am I adding this? LCD? Yes. 5. Okay, so this is 9. Copy. What about these? 10. Yes. So y is equal to 3 over 5x plus 19 over 5. Okay, so who got that correct? Oh, okay. Some of you. Okay, how about the others? Who got at least one correct? Okay, good. At least one correct. Okay. All right. So I'm going to give you a bonus today. I will let you guys go early. Yeah. So what happened? What's due on Sunday? I think I have a quiz online also, right? So anything chapter 3, there's a quiz also due 3 points due also on Sunday. Yeah. So Monday we will start chapter 8. So we will do 8.1, 8.2, and 8.3. Yes? Okay. Okay, guys. Have a good weekend. Desiree has session tomorrow. B2101, 9 to 12. Yeah? Okay. So our test is after 8. Yeah. But I'm only discussing 3 sections, 8.1, 8.2, 8.3. I'm sorry? Yes. Okay, guys. Have a good one. Yep. What do you do? Oh, today it's in library 224. Yeah. It starts at 10:30, correct? 10:30. Yeah. Yeah, library 224. Yeah. Tomorrow, if you guys want to come tomorrow, it's in B2101. Yeah, 9 to 12. Yeah. You could download it.
I can't download on the phone.
You should do it in the computer or something. Like what videos?
I don't have the Wi-Fi. I don't really.
How about go to the library? Do they let you do it over there? Yeah. Because I have a link for each one to download.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you go to the site and you click the video, let me show you. Let me stop the recording.